Hello guys, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and today in this video I will show you how to install your loyalty card into the Google Pay application. First of all, you need to open the camera app, scan the QR code and fill your personal data into the card issuing form and push the button Install in Google Wallet. Push the button Open App and all is good. Card already installed in your Google Pay account. You can open the card, see your traction, see your code and even check the details of the card. Member ID, stamp stripe, last name, first name, traction, how many rewards available, terms of use, links for social media, website and etc. And yeah, that's all. Card already added to your Google Pay. This is really a simple way. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.